At Headlight Revolution, part of the way we do lighting better is by either borrowing or purchasing trucks to do our bulb testing on. And in this case, this truck came from a local outdoorsman. We said, hey, we'll do your headlights for you in exchange for letting us do a video on them. And he said, great, that'd be awesome, but I need you to do something in the rear of my truck because I back into the lake at night, I back my boat in to launch it, I back down trails, and I can't see where I'm going. So if you could do some pods or something down there, that'd be great. We've got something better than that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the world's brightest reverse lights in your 2006 Ford F-150. And I'm going to show you how exactly to get them in there and what they look like against the wall compared to the stock bulbs. So let's get started. The first thing you got to do is drop the tailgate. And all you need to do this job is an 8mm socket. You can use hand tools, no problem. I'm just going to use an impact to speed things up. Got 2 bolts here we need to remove. Just going to set them off to the side. And basically, you just kind of pry this tailgate outward toward you. Pops right out like that. Now we're going to be working with this green socket here. The top socket is for your turn signal and brake. We've got that on our website too, but in this video we're just talking about the reverse light. Twist it counterclockwise, pull it out. We're going to pop the bulb out of there. Now, I want to show you what this looks like compared to the 1000 lumen reverse light from GTR Lighting. This thing is crazy, and in just a minute I'm going to show you how much brighter it is compared to stock. I am not exaggerating when I say it is the brightest reverse light in the world. People used to do pods and stuff on their bumper, and you can really get away with just running these things now. Now the way this works is it actually fits into the socket that the reverse light originally came out of. You can kind of give it a little twist to seat it in there. And you want it oriented so that the LEDs are shooting left to right, and the bulb itself is pretty much oriented up and down. That's going to give you your best beam pattern. And the way this plugs in is you just take this connector here and plug it right into where that bulb came out of. It's awfully unique, it's awfully creative, and it fits in real well. It's not going to come apart or anything like that. Go ahead and install this thing back into the truck. I'm going to hop in the truck now and just double check that everything works properly, and then we'll shoot it against the wall and see exactly how it looks.
As you can see, these things are incredibly bright. They almost actually get rid of all of the brake light against the wall. As you can see, that really swamped it in the before shot, and in the after shot, it's just pure white. Now, if you need anything else for this truck at all, headlights, if your truck has fog lights, we've got those too. Visit our website at www.headlightrevolution.com. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more Ford F-150 videos.